So we continue this Shemoneh Perakim. It's very, very interesting. A lot of information. So let's. So since we stopped in the middle, so let's just remind maybe a few points what we said before. And we're talking about, just in summary. We're talking about working on a person's character and how righteous people. It's from the last class. They were trying to apply to themselves some physical deprivation, right? To move them to the desired side, right? Even over, right? They wanted to be work on themselves a little extra, right? And some, as I said, fools, right? They thought that this work in physical deprivation, that's the goal, right? And they start doing that. Of course, it's not true. So a tzaddik would do, or a righteous person who does it, right? Just to get to the goal and then stop, right? That's the point. And another example that we gave was very interesting. Is these people who are untrained in medicine. So they saw experienced doctor would give somebody who was dangerously ill some medicine, and they saw the mixture. Let's say they knew the proportion, and these fools thought, okay, if it's going to help this deathly ill person, for sure it's going to help me. So I'm going to change my diet. I'm going to throw out bread and meat, and I'm going to eat this medicine. It should help me. As we understand, the other opposite is true, right? They will surely become ill and maybe even die, because that was specific medicine for sick people in that condition. Another examples that we see that the lives of deprivation is not Jewish way is a story of Nazir, right? So Nazir, we said that at the end of his Nazirus, right, his term of Nazirut, he would need to bring sin offering, that offering, right? It's a few offerings. So why sin offering? How did he sin, right? We said he was a righteous person. Like opposite should be true. He abstained from all of these things, right? From drinking wine, from eating grapes, or everything grape products, or whatever is it, or from everything, right? And he would not was very careful not to touch the dead body, not to be under the roof with the dead body. So you have to give him credit. And at the end of the day, Torah call him a sinner. Only sinner would bring a sin offering, right? Why he sinned? Because he deprived himself, right, from drinking wine. So I would say, needless to say, it's not Jewish way to fast always. Okay, you need to fast. We have special days for fast. Yeah, you must fast. That's if you're sick, that's a different story. But if you're healthy, you must fast, right? Or you want to work on your character traits. Okay, if it's for constructive purpose, yes. And then we said in Zachariah, they say that HaShem said, why it was after that they rebuilt the temple. The second temple, so they thought that should we fast and not fast on 9th of Avot. So HaShem said, what's this fast? It's useless to me. You just suffer and you do not do teshuvah. It's better you do teshuvah. The point of our lives is to get close to HaShem. Whatever helps you. If one fast a month, let's say, it's going to help you, so you should fast. If it's eat always three meals a day, full meal, like good food, is going to get you close to Hashem. That's what you must do. So don't go crazy. Don't invent your own remedy. Okay. So now we're going to start with new material. And subsequently he said, who is here? Okay, so let me go a little back. So it says, he commanded them to follow the median, okay, and to seek to acquire virtues not fast saying, right? So we're talking about virtues. We're talking about changing one's character traits, not fasting. Saying, thus spoke God, God of the host, execute true justice and show kindness and mercy each man to his brother. He said, that's what I want. What I need. I need you to fast, and I need you to suffer. And what I'm going to become richer because of your food. Like, what I'm getting from that, right? So that's continuation. Okay. And subsequently, he said, meaning Hashem said, thus spoke God of hosts, the fast of the fourth month, the fast of the fifth month, the fast of the seventh month, and the fast of the 10th month will be festivals and the days of rejoicing and happiness for the house of Yehuda. Love, truth, and peace. Truth refers to intellectual virtues, for they are true and unchanging. Very interesting. As we mentioned in the second chapter, peace refers to the ethical virtues, for they will lead to peace in the world. These peace and truth and no fast are everlasting values. So let's read again, and we're going to explain. Very interesting. And subsequently he said, I'm not sure why he from lowercase. Maybe it's prophet is talking. Okay, maybe it's prophet. Maybe it's from Zachariah. Yeah, it's from. Apologies. It's him. Meaning it's Zachariah speaking. Okay, sorry. And subsequently said, "Thus spoke God, of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah, God, of course. The fast of the fourth month, the fast of the fifth, and the fast of the seventh month. So all of this fast, they actually around." They dedicated to all of these calamities that happened in the first temple, or or after the destruction. For example, the fast of the seventh month, Gedalia, right? We did not have temple. Fast of Tavis when they surrounded Jerusalem. So now they already rebuilt the second temple. So Hashem said, okay, no fasting. That's it. I don't need to fast. Right, the fast of the seventh month, the fast of the 10th month will be festivals, the days of rejoicing and happiness, right? So for the house of Yehuda. So why house of Yehuda? Because as we said, although very interesting, right? All of these other 10 tribes, nobody knows where they are, unfortunately. Love, truth, and peace, right? That's what Hashem wants. He wants that love, truth. So we always be insistent on the truth, right, and peace. So without peace, so peace is a utensil, right, that can contain all of the blessings. So if you don't have peace with yourself inside, with people around you, with the society in general, so you're not going to enjoy the blessing that Hashem is going to send you. So you need peace. Truth refers to intellectual values, right? So intellectual values. So if you hear something like that we say here in the class, and it is true, right? The intellectual values. So you have to accept that it's true. So it's not like the book is wrong, but something wrong with us, and we have to change. The true and intellectual values. Like people must be intellectually honest, for they are true and unchanging. So all of this truth that we learn, and true and they're true and unchanging. Those books, it's from 850 years ago, still standing, right? As we mentioned in the second chapter, peace refers to ethical values, right? So ethically, meaning that you don't create all of the conflict with all of the people. So that's ethical values. All right, for they will lead to peace in the world. So you create peace in your family, in your surroundings, and Beezrat Hashem is going to create the peace in the world. So peace in the world is actually up to the Jews, just for people who do not know, right? Because Hashem created all of the wars, all of these calamities, right? So if we behave properly, so he would not need to send us examples. So Hashem said, and actually the prophet said, everything that is going on in the world is a message for the Jews. You see here about earthquake somewhere, you must understand it's because of me, it's message personal for me. I'm not doing enough. I'm not holy enough. I'm not doing enough. And Hashem said, you know what I did in that country? You know, it was supposed to be you. Understand? So we have to understand what is going on with other people and understand that it's a message for us. Continue. This peace and truth are not fast and everlasting values. Okay, so that's Jewish approach, right? Truth, right? Truth, peace, and not fast. Nobody needs to fast. Okay.